What's up, YouTube? Okay, so here we are today. We are here with a single US dollar, and we're here with 1 ounce of silver. So look at these. Take a look at them. They're both money, okay? They're both money. The problem is today we only think that this is money, okay? But make no mistake about it. This, even though it has Donald Trump on it, this is pure silver. This is money. Now, this dollar is called a fiat currency. It's backed by nothing, okay? Back in the day, this used to be backed by a commodity like gold, so it actually had some sort of protection and value hedged against it, so it couldn't lose its value because it was backed by something. In the 70s, they got rid of that, and now it's just backed on nothing. It's literally backed on the promise and the trust that the government claims that it's going to have value. The issue is, ever since this was created, the value of it is getting less and less and less, and it's disappearing. Whereas precious metals like silver, platinum, gold, copper, they're gaining value, okay? Now, why is that happening? You got to look at it a little bit differently in your mind. It's not that this is gaining value, it's that it's costing more of these to buy this. So today, April 2025, this is worth about $34. It takes 34 of these single dollar bills to buy this 1 ounce of silver, okay? 10 years ago, it might have been only 20 of these, right? And before that, it might have only been 10 of these to buy this, right? But I can guarantee you one thing, in the future, in 10 years from now, it's probably going to take you 50 of these, maybe 75, 100, maybe 500. Nobody knows that for certain, but it's going to take a lot more of these to buy you this. So when you get paid at work, it's important that you start transferring some of these dollar bills, trading some of these dollar bills that are losing value for something that's going to retain its value, because this is a sound money. A sound money is going to preserve your purchasing power. Let's fast forward 10 years from now. This is worth $34. This is worth $1. In 10 years from now, this $1 is still going to have a face value of $1, but it's going to buy you even less than it can today, which is essentially nothing. In 10 years, this $34 ounce of silver is most likely going to double. It's probably going to be about $75. Again, nobody knows that for certain, but the odds of this going down in price dramatically, pretty slim. The odds of this going up in price, 0. This will never go up in price. So you have to protect yourself in the future. You have to put your money into things that are going to retain its worth and its purchasing power. Because if you keep these under your bed in 10 years from now, it's not going to buy you anything. You keep a bunch of silver under your bed or gold under your bed or platinum under your bed, you're going to be in a better position. Okay, this was mined from the earth. This has been part of the earth for millions of years. This was just created out of thin air, and we started using this a couple hundred years ago. It's worthless. And the more that they pump and the more that they print into the system, because the United States is so in debt, they just got to keep printing more of these to pay off their debts. They lose their value more and more. So the more that they pump and the more that they put into the system, supply and demand, the more of something you have, the less value it has. That's what's going on here. So buy silver, buy sound money. It can't be controlled or manipulated like this can. Can it be manipulated? Sure. They could definitely hold the price down like they have been doing with silver, but it's nothing like this. So do yourself a favor, buy some silver, ditch the green. Have a good one.